How to integrate Cardinity into Magento 2. Method number 1. Using Composer. Go to your Magento 2 main directory. Open command window in root folder. Run command composer require Cardinity Magento. Next, enter command php bin magento module enable Cardinity Magento. Now run php bin magento setup upgrade. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to Stores, Configuration. Go to Sales, Payment Methods. Scroll down to find Cardinity Payments. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found in your Cardinity account. Click Save Config to finish the installation. More information about the installation process can be found in the description. Method number 2. Using app code. Go to github.com Cardinity Magento. Click on Releases. Find the latest Cardinity extension version that matches your Magento version. Download the extension. Copy the downloaded file. Go to App Code folder in your Magento 2 root directory. If code folder does not exist, create it. Create path app code Cardinity Magento. Paste the extension file. Extract its contents to Cardinity Magento folder. Go back to Magento 2 root folder. Edit composer.json file. Under Require, add Cardinity SDK PHP 3.0. Save the file. Open command window in Magento 2 root folder. Run command composer update. Then enter php bin magento setup di compile. Run php bin magento setup upgrade. Finally, enable the Cardinity extension module with php bin magento module. Enable Cardinity Magento. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to Stores, Configuration. Go to Sales, Payment Methods. Scroll down to find Cardinity Payments. Enter your consumer key and consumer secret, which can be found in your Cardinity account. Click Save Config to finish the installation. For more information, visit our website or contact us by phone or email.